Hello, welcome to Divine Motivation, where we delve into the depths of Indian culture and spirituality. Our channel is inspired by the priceless teachings of various deities, starting with the divine stories of Lord Krishna from the Srimad Bhagavatam. Join us on the spiritual journey and draw inspiration from the sacred teachings and life lessons that guide us toward a motivated and meaningful life. Let's embrace this divine journey together and gain strength from the inspiration of God. Jaya Shri Krishna Jaya Shankar. In the last video we have listened about Shukadeva's words entered the Parikshit king's heart, and he immediately surrendered his body, mind, and life to the Lord. Let's move further. In the previous video, we heard how Shukadeva's words touched King Parikshit's heart, leading him to surrender his body, mind, and soul to the Lord. Now, let's continue the story. Shukadeva was pleased with King Parikshit's eagerness. Despite having only 7 days to live, the king showed no fear of death. Shukadeva then began narrating the tale of the Kauravas and Pandavas. Dhritarashtra, the blind king, allowed his wicked sons to torment and persecute his nephews, the Pandavas. He even permitted them to burn the Pandavas' house while they were inside and to humiliate their noble wife, Draupadi, in the royal court. Finally, Dhritarashtra's eldest son, Duryodhana, cheated the Pandavas out of their possessions in a crooked game of dice, forcing them into exile in the forest. Dhritarashtra's wise and righteous brother, Vidura, tried to steer him away from his evil path by advising him to disown Duryodhana. This angered Shakuni and Duryodhana's friends, leading Duryodhana to insult Vidura and drive him away from the court. Unwilling to stay in Hastinapura, Vidura left the palace in humble attire and embarked on a long pilgrimage. During his journey, he met Sri Krishna's beloved friend, Uddhava. When Vidura inquired about Krishna, Uddhava, who had been devoted to the Lord since childhood, wept and said, "Sri Krishna has left this world and returned to his divine abode." He then recounted many stories of Krishna's life, including his birth, the defeat of the demon Kamsa, and his playful activities with the gopis in Vrindavan. After sharing Krishna's final teachings before his departure, Uddhava said, "The pain of separation from him is unbearable. Now, at the Lord's command, I am going to Badrikashrama to spend my days meditating on him." Seeing Vidura's grief upon hearing of Krishna's departure, Uddhava consoled him, saying, "Sri Krishna has asked the sage Maitreya to guide you. Please go to him." Overwhelmed by Krishna's concern for him even before his passing, Vidura immediately set out to meet Maitreya. Upon seeing Vidura, a great devotee of the Lord, Maitreya was filled with joy. He explained how God incarnates on earth as an avatar and how the universe was created. He described how, before creation, only absolute consciousness existed, identical with God. Through God's Maya, the universe manifested, making that one absolute consciousness appear as many. As Maitreya narrated the Lord's incarnations, he shared the following stories. Jaya and Vijaya. Brahma had 4 sons, Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanatana, and Sanat Kumara. These sages remained celibate and dedicated themselves to meditation on the Lord. Though they were ancient, they appeared as young boys and had no body consciousness, being fully established in the knowledge of Brahman. One day, the 4 sages went to Vaikuntha, the heavenly realm, to see Lord Vishnu. After passing through several gates, they reached the 7th gate, where 2 gatekeepers, Jaya and Vijaya, stood guard. The gatekeepers became angry when the young-looking sages tried to enter without seeking permission. They blocked their way, refusing to let them pass. Despite the sages' repeated pleas, the guards insulted them and remained unyielding. Eventually, the sages cursed Jaya and Vijaya, saying, "You will be born in evil wombs and become demons." The gatekeepers repented and begged for forgiveness. When Lord Vishnu heard of his gatekeepers' misbehavior, he hurried to the gate with his consort Lakshmi Devi. He apologized to the sages for the mistreatment they had received and accepted the curse on his servants. However, since Jaya and Vijaya were dear to him, Vishnu reassured them, saying, "Do not fear. You will be born 3 times, but then you will return to me." Jaya and Vijaya were first born as the demons Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha. Hiranyakashipu, the elder, became very arrogant and gained great power through severe austerities, earning a boon from Brahma. His story will be told in detail later. Hiranyaksha, the younger brother, drove out all the devas from heaven with his prowess and entered the ocean to celebrate his victory. However, the sea creatures feared him and fled. Eventually, Hiranyaksha entered Vibhavari, the city of Varuna, the god of waters and lord of Patala, the nether region. When Hiranyaksha challenged Varuna to a fight, Varuna declined, advising him to seek a battle with Vishnu instead. Meanwhile, Dharani, the earth, had been submerged by a great flood, and the Lord, in his incarnation as Varaha the boar, lifted her with his tusks to carry her to the surface. Just then, Hiranyaksha arrived and ridiculed Vishnu for taking the form of a boar. However, Vishnu, as Varaha, first ensured Dharani's safety and then turned to confront Hiranyaksha. In a fierce battle, with Brahma and the Devas watching, Varaha fought Hiranyaksha. When the demon could not defeat the Lord with his club, he resorted to magical tricks, creating illusions to hide himself and confuse Varaha. But the Lord was not deceived. Eventually, Varaha used his discus, Sudarshana, to dispel the illusions, forcing Hiranyaksha to reappear. The demon attacked Varaha with his fists, but with a single blow, Varaha killed Hiranyaksha, and Brahma and the Devas sang his praises. Thanks for watching this video. Next part of story will be covered in next video. Thank you for watching Divine Motivation. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. To stay connected with us, press the bell icon and get updates on new videos. Your suggestions and feedback are welcome. Jaya Shri Krishna, Jaya Shankar.